Hello, fifth graders. Welcome to science class. This week, we will learn about Earth's systems. Our objective is to describe what makes up each of these systems: the geosphere, the biosphere, the atmosphere, and the hydrosphere. By the end of this lesson, we will be able to explain how the balance among Earth's systems makes life on the planet possible. Earth is made up of four major systems: the geosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. Each system is a collection of parts that work together. Different processes move Earth's materials within the systems and from one system to another. If a part of a system is damaged or missing, the system will not work at all, or it may not work well. As a result, other systems may be affected. Earth is the only planet in our solar system that has these four systems. For example, seven of the planets have an atmosphere, or a layer of gases that surrounds the planet, but only Earth has a biosphere. The biosphere is, a, is an Earth system that includes all living things, including humans. Earth's biosphere includes living things in the air and water and on land. The biosphere is able to support so many kinds of living things because of its interaction with other spheres. The geosphere is the Earth system that includes rocks, soil, and sediments. Rocks are present in all parts of Earth, from its surface to its very center. Let's take a look at the layers of the geosphere. The first layer, or the top layer of the geosphere, is the crust. The crust is less than 1% of Earth's volume. The Earth's tectonic plates are located beneath the crust. Igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary rocks compose the crust. Increasing as we progress further into the Earth, the temperatures can reach up to 871 degrees Celsius. The second layer of the geosphere is the mantle. The mantle is about 84% of the Earth's volume, composed of silicate rocks, which are rich magnesium and iron. The mantle simply gets hotter as we progress further downwards. The mantle's temperatures are between 871 and 4,000 degrees Celsius. The upper mantle and the crust are called the lithosphere. The third layer of the geosphere is the outer core. The outer core is about 15% of Earth's volume. The outer core is composed of liquid iron and nickel. The outer core's temperature can reach up to 5,000 degrees Celsius. And the final and fourth layer of the geosphere is called the inner core. The inner core and the outer core combined are about 15% of the Earth's volume. The inner core is mostly composed of iron. The inner core's temperature can reach up to 6,000 degrees Celsius. Next up, we have the atmosphere. The atmosphere is the layer of mixed gases that surrounds Earth. The most plentiful gases are nitrogen and oxygen. Other gases such as argon, carbon dioxide, and water vapor are also found in the atmosphere. Earth's atmosphere absorbs most of the sun's UV rays. These rays are harmful to living things. The atmosphere allows most visible sunlight to pass through, warming Earth's surface. The atmosphere also traps some of the heat that leaves Earth's surface. This keeps the atmosphere warm enough to support life. The hydrosphere is the total amount of water on a planet. The hydrosphere and the atmosphere constantly interact. The temperature of the air affects the kinds of precipitation that will fall. To end this lesson, I'd like to share this quote with you so we can consider what we're doing to our planet and ways in which we can protect it and conserve it. We do not inherit the earth from our ancestors. We borrow it from our children. See you guys in class.